Hey everybody, it is day 7 of our 12 days of Christmas fun, and today I'm kind of sad because I had this really fun idea, but I can't find the template. So I will tell you about it, but we're going to do something a little different. So today we're going to be talking about recipe templates. The idea I had was the All-Star recipe template has a big star in the middle, and it would make a really cute sugar cookie. I cannot find my template anywhere. But I'm going to kind of show you the idea of using a different template. So we're going to use the Argyle template, and I'm choosing this one particularly because it is part of the holideals that CM is doing right now. And I'm going to show you a different way to use it. So a lot of people use it for pictures, and let me just show you. Here they've used it to take some pictures and cut them up, and then here they've used it with some paper and cut a couple pictures up. I'm going to show you how to use it for journaling. So my idea was the All-Star one has a big star in the center. And you see how they have these, I even had my paper ready. You see how they have like an inside and an outside? So like there's this thin line. So my idea would have been to take that, let's just pretend this is a star shape, and actually put it on beige cardstock and trace the outside edge just to draw it. And then take a paper like this one and draw the inside, so then you end up with a little star-shaped cookie. Anyway, that would have been fun. However, instead, we're going to do something slightly different. I'm going to show you a fun little Christmas flower. And then I'm going to show you some journaling ideas using the recipe template. So this just reminds me of like a Scandinavian flower, this little piece right here. And then I would just honestly just use that. And the way I like to do it is I like to start with pencil and then go back later and use my pens, because that way I can make sure everything's the way I want it. So there's 2 ways to do this. You could do, like I said before, you could trace the outside and then the inside and have it be layered. But I'm just going to make it super easy on myself and only do, I may have done that side already, only do this. And I'll show you why in just a second. So I'm just going to trace the lines, which is unusual. And hopefully I got them all. We'll see in just a sec if I did or not. Did I get that line? Let's see. And our tool clips are actually amazing. Ah, good. Okay, I did. So you can't really see it yet, but I'm making a fun little Christmas flower. So here you can see the shape. And now I'm going to go back with my markers and actually trace around it. And I'm going to use, what color should I do today? It's different. It's kind of a dark sea green. This is one that, it's a teal. But depending on how thick I make this, I'm going to get a different look. So ideally, if you want a straight line, you want to use your template again, but I'm fairly confident I can do this just by looking at it. And hopefully you'll start to see what I'm talking about here. And if it's not exact, that's okay, because guess what? I have an eraser. No one will know that the one underneath it is straighter. And again, if I want a thicker line, all I have to do is switch it and make it. So now I've got this shape. And I'm going to actually use, let's see, do I have my green in here? I do not. We're doing Nordic-y colors, so let's do brown. And then all I'm going to do is follow that same line here. So I think a lot of people don't realize that your recipe templates don't just have to be for pictures and paper. I use them all the time to doodle. In fact, I have a class that I teach called Doodly Do, and each month we take a different approach and we do different drawings. So this is how I want that to look, and so I'm just gonna, there, like this, go back and color it in. If I'd use my dot pens, it'd be even easier to color in. And by the way, the rainbow dot case with the pens, you might want to check the holidays because it may or may not be part of it. Just saying, definitely check if you don't have them. It's worth it. Okay, so now I have this kind of flower, and yeah, I am going to go back over it with the, it's not thick enough, I feel like. And see, that's the joy of, the best part of this is just playing, right? We're just turning this into play. For some reason, I am left-handed, but for some reason, can't seem to draw on that left side very well when I try to go. I always get stuck or something. Anyway, all right. So now you can kind of see that flower, that little, okay. And I can turn this into an embellishment from here, or I can add some lines to it and turn it into a journaling block. So I just used a small piece like it's a border, but you could actually repeat this pattern and make it a border, or you could have done this on an entire piece of paper and made it part of your journaling block. So let me show you a way. And if you're good at drawing straight lines, just do it like that. If you're not, use a ruler. And let me just show you. Now you have this fun little journaling block, and it took you like 5 minutes. Okay, so again, it would have been a lot cuter if it was a sugar cookie, but a flower will have to do. All right, so let me show you how to take that idea and bump it up even more. So this is one I did over the summer, and I used the Diamond Kite template. And this one I believe is in Lash Chance right now, so if you want it, don't wait. And I took this square that's in the center of, let me see. Okay. Of these, let me make this easier. No, that makes it worse. I'm trying to find a piece of paper or something dark enough to show you this. Okay, there you go. That's a little better. This square here, you could use any of the 4 quadrants. The reason I like Diamond Kite is you can turn it this way, you can turn it that way, you can do it just like it is. So what I ended up doing was I just traced this into the corner of my page. And then I went back with my an embellishment and just put it in the corner. And to make this pattern here, what I actually did was I traced this square, and then I went back with my trimmer and cut a piece with the, I believe I used the wavy blade, but it might have been pinking. And then I just traced that around the edge, and that's how you get that pattern there. So that's just a fun way to do it. So this would work with any theme, any time of year. This one was just a fun little picnic one that I was doing over the summer. So that is some fun ways to use journaling. And again, this can work this is perfect for a happy album size album to do some journaling on there. If you want smaller journaling squares, you've got some in this let me find Argyle pack. If you turn this one there, you've got a smaller square. So there's lots of different ways to use these templates. Anyway, that was just a quick example. Now, speaking of recipe templates, first of all, make sure you check out the Holideals because these are amazing. So since we're talking about recipes, let's talk about this recipe book. So I'm actually going to pull this back just a little bit so you can see the box. And all the boxes are slightly different. It's kind of whatever they had in stock, but they are this size. And when you open it up, it makes a great present just as it is. And it's $62. These are sold out online. I have 2 left. I have one with a red box and one with a craft color box. And it comes with this really cute, let me see if I can do this here. There we go, that's better. It comes with this really cute pot holder. It has like the silicone on the back, and then it has like a little pocket in the front, and it says happiness is homemade. And it has a little hook. And then it comes with these really cute Baked with Love 2 embellishments, and you can even use this cute little box. It comes with the recipe album. Hi, it's me. The recipe album is in the Happy Album size. It comes with the horizontal pocket pages, which is made to hold these recipe mats. And there's a whole pack of them in here, and they're all different. There are 24 in here. There's a really cute Bake with Love 2 Save Your Family's Recipes. Scan the code here, and you'll get some ideas that you can use. And then when you're done, look, you could cover that up, and it's a whole nother embellishment. I'm just saying. Okay. And then, last but not least, is the Baked with Love paper pack. And what I love about this, isn't that cute? What I love about this box is not only do you have everything you need to create a recipe album, but I'm giving you the class for free. I'm teaching the recipe album as a class in January. If you don't get the bundle from me, then it is $20 for the class. But if you do get the bundle from me, you get it for free. So that's $20 right there. Savings. You already get a savings in this box. And it's a ready-made gift. You don't even have to do anything about. So I'm just saying, it's $62. It's totally worth it if you have someone who's newly married or someone who loves to bake. This is a great gift, not just for Christmas, but all year round. And this is your last opportunity to get it because I only have 2 left. So anyway, that is our day 7, and I will see you again tomorrow. Remember, all these things are while supplies last. So even though the holiday deals are going on, we still have the buy one, get one free on a lot of our punches. These are only while those supplies last. So get them while you can. All right. I'll talk to you later. Love you. Bye.